Hello, my name is Dr. Nate Greenwood, physical therapist at F.I.T Muscle and Joint Clinic. Today we wanted to talk about the importance of rehab after having a surgery and how you have a choice in this procedure and this process. At F.I.T Muscle and Joint Clinic, we have a team of highly skilled physical therapists ready to meet you right where you're at coming out from a surgery. After having a surgery of this kind, you're essentially at the starting line for your recovery. And if your goal is to make the fullest recovery possible, maximize your strength, maximize your motion, even return to a sport, high quality rehab care after your surgery is critical. Thankfully today, you as the patient have the power of choice for where you'd like to be referred to and where you'd like to ultimately go to receive your post-surgical care. Our team takes pride in adhering to the latest evidence-based and clinically proven rehab interventions post-surgery and consider it a privilege to partner with you after such a procedure. Please don't hesitate to request us after your procedure and let us help you achieve your fullest recovery possible.